broken sprinkler head. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Andrew, and this is another edition of Kite Army Labs. So you can see it's almost springtime, and you know we love that. What we don't love about springtime is all the work that we're gonna have to do in the yard. One of those projects is opening up the sprinkler system, and you know that no matter how careful we were in the fall when we close it down, there's gonna be a busted head. So last year I did a review of a product that would help you replace those heads in under 3 minutes, and it worked pretty good. But one of my subscribers was kind enough to reach out to me and said, Andrew, you're doing it all wrong. What they told me is they had this guy right here. Check this gadget out. This is the Xtrax, and this is a tool made in the United States out of solid metal. The thing is completely rugged. This guy can remove a sprinkler head and replace it in under 1 minute. So our job here today is test that and see if in fact that's true. Let's get into it. So you know I'm a sucker for a awesome looking tool. Well, this Xtrax by TSM takes the cake. All right, first off, it's made in the USA, so you know the quality is great. The metal is about 1/4 inch thick. Now let me show you the business end of this tool. Basically, it's 2 metal bars on a spring, so there's not much to break there. It'll be great for a pro as well as a regular homeowner. And what happens is you insert this into the barrel of the broken sprinkler head, and once it gets in there, they widen like that, and it allows you to twist it out. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how that works, and then we're actually gonna test it. Really quickly, I wanna show you that the Xtrax can work with multiple brands and different sizes. This is a Rainbird, a Hunter. There's a bunch of other sprinkler head brands out there, but let me show you. So you just slip it in like that, and it resists and then locks in, so it will unscrew. And here's the Hunter right here, the little guy. And that will work like that. It doesn't matter what kind of head it is, if it's a rotating head or a general just spray head. Most things between 1 and 2 and a little bit inches will work perfectly fine with the Xtrax. All right, that was a unfortunate mishap, but let's see if we can get this guy replaced. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come in here with a pair of pliers and remove that cap. Now you can see the guts come out and you can feel the inside there. So I'm gonna take this tool, press it down like that, and start spinning. I don't think I got it in as far as I expected to, but I can feel it's coming off the thread. And that's because the way it broke. But that's okay, because it came out. That took all of 30 seconds. Let's get the new head and get it in the ground. All right, here's the new head. It's a Hunter. Let me just check the thread. Yep, same thread, same height, so that'll be good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that in there like that, insert this in the hole, and let's hope it feels like it's engaging, which is good. Oh yeah. Okay, put some torque on there. That's in the hole now. Now put that on. Oh. Don't have my top yet. Okay, I'm back with the top. Let me screw that on, like so. And let me button it down with the wrench here. And if all goes well, that feels good, nice and tight, I should be able to turn it on. Let's test it. I just got my sprinkler system turned on. You can see my head's up here, and I can adjust now the spray pattern real easy. So that took about 1 minute to get the whole sprinkler head replaced. Pretty impressive. If you work hard, make sure you stay hydrated. All right, who doesn't love destroying a good sprinkler head? Anyway, let's do the wrap up. So talking about the Xtrax, this tool did exactly as advertised. I was able to remove the sprinkler head in 30 seconds and replace it in 30 seconds. And that's the first time I've ever used this tool, so I'd have to say that's pretty impressive. Now, the other thing that I should point out is you notice there was no hole digging, there was no mess. It was a real clean operation, and my yard looks as good as it did before I started, so that's very cool. I also want to say that I'm sure this thing will stand up to the rigors of a pro and is great to have as a general homeowner like myself. I'm going to keep it around for those repairs in the future. Anyway, if you want to find out more about the Xtrax, make sure you click the link below. There'll be some information and we'll send you to their website. And like always, please make sure you click that like, leave a comment, check out all my other content, and I'll see you guys around real soon.